Hello everyone and welcome back to Vlada's Place. What goes better with fall than a good pumpkin pie? Well, today we're going to show you a whole new version. We are starting with 3 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin and 1/4 cup of cold water. To that we are adding half a cup of brown sugar and 1 1/4 cup of pumpkin. Next is half a cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Last is a half a teaspoon of salt. After mixing it all, we're going to bring it on steam and cook it on steam for about 10 to 15 minutes or until egg yolks are cooked. By the way, I want to introduce you to my favorite neighbor, Mr. Joe Erdman, who is, by the way, an amazing baker. Once this mixture is cooked, we're going to whip 3 eggs and half a cup of sugar. Now that both are combined, just make sure that you fold it gently because the goal here is to keep the mixture nice and fluffy. All that's left to do is to pour it in a pre-baked pie crust and let it cool before you add freshly made whipped cream and a little bit more of chocolate. I hope you will enjoy this easy recipe, and until the next recipe and the next video, please take good care of yourself and those around you.